Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade gun to catch fish in Abyss Roblox. So if you want to catch Lionfish, Mahimahi, or the legendary Barracuda, your starter gear just won't cut it. And in Abyss, upgrading your weapon is the only way to increase your range and reload speed so you can fill your inventory faster. Here I'm going to show you the shop location uh, on where you can change or you can upgrade your gun. Okay, so in here you just need to go to the oxygen zone and find this one, the Harpoon Shop location. This is the location. It's near the tree, near the scientist in here. So you can just talk to Henry in here, or you can just choose your next gun. So this is my current gun, and in here there's this beginner's gun that you can buy for $350. So if you have the money, you can just click on it to buy it. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks.